A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a growing controversy surrounding the Trump administration's immigration policies, recent revelations have shed light on the decision-making process behind the deportation of Venezuelan migrants to El Salvador, despite a federal judge's order to halt the flights. The issue has sparked a significant backlash, raising questions about the administration's adherence to judicial directives and the treatment of immigrants. The controversy began in March when the Department of Justice, DOJ, revealed that Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem was responsible for the decision to proceed with deportation flights, even after U.S. District Judge James Boasberg issued an order to turn the flights around. This marked a pivotal moment in President Trump's mass deportation strategy, as it highlighted a pattern of defiance against court orders within his administration. The flights in question involved approximately 250 alleged Venezuelan gang members, who were sent to a notorious prison in El Salvador known for its harsh conditions. Critics argue that these deportations were not only a violation of due process, but also indicative of a broader trend of disregarding the rights of immigrants. Judge Boasberg's inquiry into the matter has intensified, with accusations of willful disregard for his rulings directed at the Trump administration. The DOJ's court filing unveiled the chain of events leading to Noem's decision, detailing how legal advice was relayed from Deputy Attorney General Todd Blanche and other officials to the DHS. Despite the judge's clear directive, the administration maintained that it did not violate his order, arguing that the written order did not explicitly require the return of detainees already removed from the U.S. This defense has been met with skepticism, as many legal experts and advocates contend that the administration's actions contradicted the spirit of the court's ruling. The American Civil Liberties Union, ACLU, representing the affected migrants, has called for testimony from key DHS and Justice Department officials to clarify the decision-making process behind the flights. The ACLU's push for transparency in the case underscores the ongoing struggle for immigrant rights in the face of aggressive deportation policies. As the inquiry continues, the implications of this case extend beyond the immediate deportations, raising critical questions about the balance of power between the executive branch and the judiciary in matters of immigration enforcement. The Trump administration's reliance on the Alien Enemies Act, a law dating back to 1798, has also come under scrutiny. Critics argue that using this antiquated law to justify the deportation of Venezuelan nationals is not only legally questionable, but also morally indefensible. The situation has prompted widespread discussions about the treatment of immigrants and the ethical responsibilities of government officials. As the nation grapples with these complex issues, the outcome of Judge Boasberg's inquiry could have far-reaching consequences for the future of immigration policy in the United States. The administration's actions have sparked a national conversation about the rights of immigrants, the limits of executive power, and the role of the judiciary in holding the government accountable. With public opinion divided on immigration issues, the Trump administration faces mounting pressure to justify its policies and ensure that they align with both legal standards and humanitarian principles. As the legal battles unfold, the plight of the Venezuelan migrants serves as a poignant reminder of the human impact of immigration enforcement and the ongoing struggle for justice and fairness in the system. The developments surrounding these deportation flights are not merely a legal issue. They are emblematic of a broader societal debate about immigration, human rights, and the values that define America. As the inquiry progresses, all eyes will be on the court's decision and its potential ramifications for future immigration policies and the treatment of vulnerable populations within the United States. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.